Alright, for this problem, this is a problem under the topic variation. So the problem said m varies directly as n. So that is direct variation. And like immediately, and that is multiplication. Inversely, inverse is 1 over the square of p, that is square. So that is what you have. So it means m varies directly as n and inversely as the square of p. So whenever you have a variation, then if you want to change that to equal, that shows there's a constant. There's a constant under variation. So this implies there exists a constant. You can use C or K, whichever way. There exists a constant K such that M is equal to Kn divided by P squared. So from varies, if you want to change to for this kind of problem, so it varies directly, you introduce a constant. If the question is M varies directly as N, then if that is where the question stops, then there's also a constant. If the question is M varies inversely as P squared, that will be K over P squared. So, but now it is both M varies directly and inversely. There is also a constant. There's also a constant. So that is how we have that. Okay, what next? Now, we're asked to find M in terms of N and P. So if you see the options, we always have N and P. So we are not finding N, we are not finding P. So that shows we are finding K. We want to know that constant. But we are given M, we are given N, we are given P. So all we need is to find K. Now, how do we find K? You can insert your given values immediately, or you can make K the subject of the formula. To make K the subject of the formula here, you can firstly multiply this equation. You can multiply the equation by P squared. If you multiply by P squared, you will have MP squared equals Kn. Now, how do you make K the subject of the formula? Making K the subject of the formula means you have K equals, then every other thing's on the right hand side. And you divide by N. Then N cancels N. Then you have K equals MP squared over N. Now you can substitute your values now. So M is 3, P is 1 squared divided by N, 2. So that shows your K is 3 times 1 over 2. So K is 3 over 2. Then you substitute that here. So M, you substitute your K in this equation star. So K is 3 over 2 N. So that is 3N over 2 divided by P squared, which is same thing as 3N over 2 times. Whenever you want to change division to multiplication, you find the inverse. So that shows M equals 3N divided by 2P squared. So you have written M in terms of N and P. So your answer will be option A, 3N divided by 2P squared. I hope you understand this concept. I'll see you in the next video.